Good medical morning, everybody. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping from World's Greatest Medical. And we're revisiting this image to tell you more about it. Also, stick around for the end of the video so I can tell you what's happening in this clip. So the images come to us from Tay Keller SFX on Instagram. And if you're familiar with the term SFX, you know it means, well, special effects. These amazing pseudo-medical images are Hollywood-style special effects makeup. Nice. The Canadian SFX specialist is named Taylor Hayes Keller. Here's a look at some additional work. So what's happening in this clip? Well, I'm not a dentist, but this appears to be a bridge that has come loose due to decay. A bridge is a fixed dental restoration used to replace one or more missing teeth by joining an artificial tooth definitively to adjacent teeth or dental implants. Speaking of teeth, check out this pack of teeth whitening pens. Personally, I think oral hygiene is underrated. So I'll put a link to my favorite pens in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. We'll see you next time.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thinnergy. Thinnergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below. Recommends Thinnergy and I think it'll work